What's up, YouTube? It's Chuck back again with Chuck's Hobby Spot. And I went to a place yesterday. Uh, it was up in Tucson, and a lot of my modeling friends told me about this place. It's an Ace hardware store. And this place is huge. I mean, I wanted to take a video of this place, and I'm going to go up there especially just to shoot a video, but it was packed, so it would have been hard for me to shoot a video. But if you guys ever get a chance to go over to that place, it's pretty cool. Lots of model kits for car builders, man. Trains, what else? Military, big on military, RC cars. You name it, they had it. It was like, I didn't want to go home. I wanted to just put out a sleeping bag and sleep there. So I could have slept there, and it's better than my hobby room. So I was going to show you some of the stuff I picked up. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the stash ads I picked up. I picked a couple kits up and a bunch of parts. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did pick up from there. We had a good time. It was an all-day trip. Me and my wife and my dad and my mother-in-law. We went up there and we just kind of hung out, had dinner out there, and kind of hung out a couple hours at the hobby shop. And next door, my wife's big into Christmas, so when we decorate our house for Christmas, it's pretty huge. So they had a Christmas store next door even, and I was like, man, this is crazy. You can get a haircut, you can get Christmas decorations, and go to the hobby store and go buy plumbing stuff at the first part of Ace. It's all owned by these guys, I guess. So and they had a lot of aftermarket parts there, stuff that, you know, if I would have ordered online, I would have paid shipping. So I would have rather just bought it there and bought a bunch of it, and then yeah, you know how we are. We're hoarders, right, Matt? Lucasy, hoarders of the hobby. So anyway, so you can see my hobby room's a mess, and I don't usually do a face-to-face camera thing, but I think I'm going to do that a little bit more often. So you guys get to know who I am, and if you see me at a show, you guys can stop and we can, I don't know, maybe have lunch or something. I don't know. So let's turn this. First of all, I'm redoing those cabinets right now from a hobby room. So anyway, let's turn this camera around and show you what we got. So you guys watch. All right, guys, we're back. So let's have a cup of coffee and see what we bought here. So that's good stuff. Yeah, see that? Got that from my daughter. I'm a grandpa, so anyway, enough of that. So first kit I bought, and this is kind of a common kit. I mean, well, I haven't seen it to buy it, and I was there, so you know, I'm gonna spend money, support the shop, of course. So you should support your local hobby shop, so you don't want them going out of business. And this is a good one, so the good hobby shop. So definitely don't want this one going out of business. So I bought the Class Action Monte Carlo, the 80 Monte Carlo, and it's made by MPC. It's 1/25th scale. So box art. It's got a motorcycle in the back. I think I'm going to do something with that motorcycle. It's definitely not going to be on the back of this Monte Carlo. I think this Monte Carlo might become a lowrider. I think this trailer and the bike would be cool to put on something. I don't know what, but we can find some crap to put it on. So anyway, the box art. I don't know if you guys are getting a glare or anything. So I'm trying to make the lighting in here better. So we'll see how it goes. It might be a little bit of a challenge in here. So some cool decals. I mean, I can do something with those, but we'll see. I like that T-top option. There you go. There's the other side. You seen that? And a bit of the parts tree here. Looks like a cool kit. And we will build this. I've been wanting to pick this up. I've seen it. So I picked that up. And I seen a kit over there that I don't really see all the time. And I thought, you know what? I've been itching to do like a kit, Aoshima kit, something like that. And I found this kit there. And I thought, you know what? Let's buy this one. So it's a Lamborghini Gallardo SE, and this is I think it's a Fujimi kit. I didn't think the price was too terrible, $47. I thought that was okay. I bought it because I like these Gallardos, so I'm gonna, I want to do a buddy build with a buddy of mine, Chris, and we're gonna do this. And me and John Teresi, we're kind of doing a buddy build for Utah, so that's at 29. So. And we're not showing each other the 29. So here's the box art on this. I like the interior on this. I think I'll do something like that. All right. It is a Fujimi kit. And there you go. There's pretty much the box art. And the back, beautiful box art. No, I'm just kidding. So, yeah, we did pick that kit up. And we bought a lot of stuff over there. I mean, I bought stuff that I just didn't see all the time. See, Ace. We spent about $300. I bought 2 kits and I bought a bunch of goodies. So I'll show you what I bought. I bought some candy bars. We bought some bare metal foil. I bought the matte because I don't think I have any matte right now. I have a bunch of bare metal foil, and the bare metal foil, I buy it when I see it. So, so we picked up some bare metal foil. Okay, I'll put that away. And I thought this would be cool to put on something, checkerboard pattern. I can find something for that and make it look pretty cool. Reminds me of the band The Cars. You remember that? So, what else do we buy, guys? So we bought some air cleaners, some Parts by Parks, and you can never have too many air cleaners. And even though I don't stick them on, I usually put them on the side of the car for like a display because I like to show my carburetor stuff off. So I bought different sizes, some same sizes. These are different. I think that, I don't know what's different about them. I think, yeah, the size. This one's bigger. I bought a couple steering wheels because I thought they'd be kind of cool. Maybe this would be cool like in an old hot rod or something. Let me see if I can come in on this a little bit. That's got a skull on it. That'd be kind of cool too. I bought some more fittings. I buy fittings whenever. I like fittings. I like these for radiators. Or, radiator hoses. I thought, some chains, because what if I'm building a semi, which I want to build sooner or later, like a headache rack or something on the back of it. I seen these and thought, I can use these for $1.19, why not? $1.99, $1.19. I don't know why the price is different. They're the same. Some more. And I tried to buy, on an even number because that's kind of what you do. Different colors, amber lights, blue lights, green lights, stuff like that, More chains. And I needed a couple of these. I've been doing a lot of body work lately, so. What else did we get? I'm thinking about using an Iceman motor, and I might change these velocity stacks to his. I might change it, the printed ones, and I might put these on it. So I got to see how they look first. And you can never have too many radiator hoses, coolant hoses, stuff like that. More chains. I'm telling you, I'm doing a big rig build. It's going to blow you away, probably. Beauty rings. So I thought about, using something like this. This is kind of cool. What else did we get? Salt flat disc. I might have a set of these, but I needed a set, so why not? different color, more different color lenses. So I thought that'd be cool. More chains, I'm telling you, I got something in my head, and when I have something in my head, I do not let it go. I usually do something with it. So more lenses. So we did buy a bunch of stuff. But probably don't need it, but we bought it anyway. So we also went to this this bar and grill called Grumpy's out there in Tucson, which was really good. So we went there. We couldn't find a place to eat that we wanted to go, and then finally we met these people, and they told us, hey, go to this place. So we went there, and that's what we did. So we came home. I got home around 10 o'clock last night. So yeah, but I did have fun. I've always wanted to go to this hobby shop, and glad I did. So yeah, that's how my weekend went. So why do you watch this crap? I don't know, but you do, and I'm thanking you. So with that being said, I just wanted to tell you guys, have a great week coming ahead. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and keep up with this crap. So talk to you later, guys. Take care and have a great week. Bye.